Welcome to the birds of Sri Lanka with Thinev. Today we'll be talking about the grey-headed fish eagle. It is a large, stocky raptor with adult having dark brown upper body, grey head and lighter underbelly and white legs. The grey-headed fish eagle is a fish-eating bird of prey from Southeast Asia. Juveniles are paler with darker streakings. It is often confused with the lesser fish eagle and the pale fish eagle. The lesser fish eagle is similar in plumage but smaller, and the pale fish eagle shares the same habitat and feeding behaviour but is larger with longer wings and darker underparts. The grey-headed fish eagle is often called tank eagle in Sri Lanka due to its fondness for irrigation tanks. Once I have saw a grey-headed fish eagle in Udawalawa National Park. Thank you for watching Birds of Sri Lanka with Thinev. Stay tuned for more videos.